For the section 9-2, we're going to do translations again. It's the exact same thing that we just did. The only difference is they throw in this little notation right here. They draw a picture, put an arrow right here. That arrow by itself can determine which direction or tell you what the translation should be. So the beginning of this arrow, or it's called a directed line segment. That's what it's a directed line segment right there. Oops. The directed line segment starts here and it ends here. So that means they want us to shift this thing to the right 2 and up 4. So they want us to go to the right 2 and then up 4. To the right 2, didn't finish my 2, and then up 4. So that's what they did. You take this point right here. It is right now at 610. It was at 610. You go to the right 2 and you go up 4, and it ends up at the new point. So it was at 610, and then we want it to go right to, whoops, didn't mean to close my parentheses. To the right 2, and they want us to go up 4. Okay, and then that's going to get this point right here, 6. 6 plus 2 is 8, and 10 plus 4 is 14. So that new point right there should be at 8:14. All right. So, just for time's sake, I am not going to go through every bit of this. You can fill in those points. It's just exactly what we just did. And here they tell you where it starts. It starts at 610. This one right here starts at 610. And it says that it's going to go to 413. So go to 413. I think that's 413. Or I guess I should have done it over here. It's going to go to 413. So the directed line segment would be that one right there. And that would be over 2, and it'd be to the left 2, so it would be a -2. And then it would be 1, 2, 3, up 3. So then that one would, so it says he does that. For the band to move, how should each band member move? So we would say X minus 2, comma, Y plus 3. That's what we would say. There is a notation that you might see, capital T with a bracket down here that looks like this, the little pointed, looks like maybe the less than symbol, -2, comma 3. And that is another way for them to tell you that this is the capital T stands for translation. And the little pointed brackets is really not universal. You can go to a different textbook, and the different textbook will have parentheses right there. I think Springboard does the little pointed brackets to keep you from getting confused, thinking that it's an ordered pair. But this is telling you that the translation, and this is kind of like a subscript, this part right here, this is telling you that the translation is left 2 and right 3. I mean, and up 3, sorry. All right. Let's see. You should do the check your understanding 4, 5, and I'm going to stop the video. And in the next video, I will check your answers, number 4 and number 5. I will show you the answers before we move on to all of this other stuff. Okay?